Welcome, I'm Leuck. I am going to give you a little overview of my lessons that I do weekly in my 6-week classes. Each week I create a specific prompt. For this particular week, it was rear view mirror. My class is 3 hours long, and we start out by reviewing in our private Facebook group everyone's pages from the week. I choose 3 to 4 really fun photographs based on the theme. And then we do 2 to 3 minute drawings. They're very fast, so you don't have time to second guess yourself too much. And then we spend about 15 minutes adding color, pattern, all kinds of things to our images, and we share those. And then the final portion of class is creating one single page around the main theme, in this case, rear view mirror. We usually take from an hour to an hour and 20 minutes to complete these pages. Often we don't even get our pages fully colored, depending on how much detail and things that you put in. And that's fine. People finish up, throughout the week and then share again the next week. It's just really a super fun class, and everybody's stories are so unique and interesting. The thing that I do with this one prompt, I create a page of over 50 different things related to that prompt. So there's an endless array of different storylines and memories and things that you can explore around the prompt. I create a safe space for my students. Self-deprecation is not allowed. We are there to cheer each other on and celebrate each of our own unique styles. Everyone's at different levels, and everyone is celebrated wherever they're at. So just wanted to give you a preview of my daily 6-week classes. We meet on Saturdays right now. We're in our 18th 6-week session, and I'm hoping to add another class during the week, so please reach out if you're interested. As I said, we do 6 weeks at a time. So that's the overview. Please like this video and subscribe if this interests you. I welcome and look forward to having you in a future class, and you can always watch my free online workshop, Starting a Daily Sketchbook Practice, even if you're fearful of drawing. The link is below. You can also visit my website, anneleuck.com. See the ending credit for the full spelling.